I, no doubt like you, am an obsessive vegetable grower. You can see I've got my patch absolutely packed with food plants. But we all know that food plants are far better protected and pollinated when they're growing with flowers, and I can be a bit slack about planting them. So today I'm introducing a new rule for myself. I'm calling it the 1 in 10, and I'm going to start with my lettuce crop. So the 1 in 10 is simple. For every 10 food plants I plant, I have to plant at least one flower. The area that I'm planting out is actually where my carrot crop has failed, but I'm not going to waste the few little plants that have popped up. I'm going to relocate them to the back of the bed, and that transplant shock will make them bolt up to flower. More flowers is a bonus. I'm just loosening the soil up. It was quite compacted. And then, because this is going to be a leafy crop, I need plenty of tucker in there. So I'm going to use a combination of my compost, some worm castings, with a little bit of added poultry manure. I'm planting a range of different lettuce today, so heaps of cos, and then a whole lot of the Oakleaf varieties. And the floral partner I want to use is actually a really old-fashioned plant. It's an annual. It's known as sweet ALYSSUM. It's sweet because you can literally smell the nectar coming out of this plant. And nectar is predator and pollinator fuel, and in particular the hoverfly. It brings them into the garden. And the hoverfly is a great pollinator, but more importantly, its larvae are voracious aphid eaters. So I'm hoping that by planting this with my lettuce, they'll lay their eggs in the crop and take care of any problems. Long-term research into organic lettuce production has looked at the most effective planting patterns. From alternating rows to lines that crisscross the paddock, the best they've found is interplanting. And I reckon that's going to work wonders in a little patch like mine. Well, that's my new rule. Whenever I plant some food plants, I have to plant some flowers. Not only are they going to look gorgeous, but they're also bringing in lots of welcome visitors. I'll see you in the garden.